Hi, Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in San Clemente today. Just walked out of a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, approximately 3,500, just under 3,500 square foot home, 2 levels, and lot size is just over 6,000 square foot. Um, Price point on this is just under 1.6 million. Now, house one, two, three houses down from there. Same neighborhood, just went for 1.9. At least that's what the listing agent said. I remember going to that house, and when I came down this, I go, oh, I've been to this house, but no, it's 3 houses down. Now, this is a cul-de-sac, so I mean, you are 2 houses to the end of the cul-de-sac, and then it's a turnaround. So one way in, one way out. So you're only going to have your neighbors down here. The house is very, I want to say beach-like. It's got wood shingles on the side. It looks really nice. White picket fence around. Wood floorings on the upper level, and I think tile floorings on the lower level. You do have one bedroom downstairs. You have a full bathroom downstairs to support that one bedroom. And then you have 3 bedrooms upstairs. The master suite is absolutely huge. I mean, huge. It probably takes about a third of the area up top. So the second level, third of that is all master. So you do have, as you walk into your master, the first thing you have is a little section off to the side that is a sitting room. And it's pretty good size. Then it opens up into your main bedroom area, which then flows out into a patio, which goes along the whole side of the house that overlooks your backyard. So very, very nice. And that is all facing towards the ocean. So you can't see the ocean from this location, but I mean, right now it's in the middle of the day and you still get an ocean breeze. It's very comfortable right now, right here. Um, the other 2 bedrooms upstairs, decent size, not great size, but decent size, all looking very nicely done. This whole house is kept up very well. The outside, so instead of grass, what they did is put artificial turf. So in front and in the back, the whole backyard is all artificial turf. They do have a walkway on the outside, which does get you over to the barbecue island, and then you cross over the artificial turf, and then in the far corner of their backyard, they do have a nice. I think it was gas. I didn't go out there to confirm, but it is a fireplace out there, and it probably goes up about 15 foot. So maybe with that kind of a flue, it's not just gas. It may be that it is burning wood, real wood as well. Nice little sitting area. There's a trestled patio cover out there. Very, very beach, very Americana look to this whole house. Flows very nice from your living room, dining rooms. Not really an open concept, but kind of like an L shape. So as you walk in, first thing you go is to the right, your dining room's up front, and then that flows nicely back into your kitchen, and then over onto your den area. So it does flow very nicely downstairs, and then you have the nice spiral staircase. Very high ceilings, upper and lower levels, so I was very impressed with that. Nice upgrades on some of the areas. Very nicely done. And you have a 2-car garage, and you probably have enough room for 2 additional cars outside, and then there's plenty of parking all the way around on the street here. You're very close to the freeway. You're not too far from the freeway. You're not really that far to the ocean as well. You kind of have to go down and wiggle around, but you're probably about a half a mile. That's about it. You are going up a hill, though, from the ocean, so it may not be an easy walk, but you can still get there and walk back. Fair enough. And then I would say, generally speaking, I like the look of this house. It looks really nice. It shows very nice. And if this is if this is the type of model that you're looking for in a beach community, give me a call, 949-813-9185. I'll get you some pictures. We'll get an appointment, come in and take a look at it. Hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next preview.